The blessing of the Lord makes a person rich, and he adds no sorrow to it. Proverbs 10 verse 22. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I'm featuring Asteria hair. If you are a subscriber, you know how much I love Asteria hair. Their hair is literally top tier. That's one of the brands that I recommend all the time when it comes to hair. And today I'm going to be installing this wig. It's going to be a reinstall. But if you'd like to see how I got this beautiful wig reinstalled onto my hair and how I feel about the hair, then please carry on watching. Okay guys, so this is the Asteria hair wig. It is HD lace, 26 inches and 180% density. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks once it's out of the packaging. Okay, so this is how the lace looks. As you can see, it's a bit pre-plucked. I'm obviously going to go in and pluck further, but this is how the frontal looks. You can still see the black dot. The hair is pretty consistent to the ends, so it's very thick, and I am excited to try this wig. So this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. Okay, so this is the wig that I'm going to install. Obviously this is a reinstall. I've already installed it before, but I'm going to reinstall it for you guys to just show you how it is. It is a beautiful 26-inch wig from Asteria hair, and this was actually my birthday wig. I'm going to include some pictures and stuff, but Asteria hair never fail me. They never fail me. So if you ever have a wig and you know you went to the hairstylist and you need to reinstall it but you don't know how, this video should help you out. So the way I wash my wigs is like it keeps everything in place. So I have to like comb the edges back. You don't actually have to do this, but if you don't want to get like glue or spray in the lace. Okay, so then I'm going to take my Ebin spray. This is this spray. I usually use the red one, but that is completely sold out, like sold out. So you want to just lift the lace up. Then you want to spray. And guys, I promise you, like 2 layers of the spray will have your wig in place, like in place. It just holds very well. It doesn't leave any like white casts if you do it the right way. I feel like most sprays don't really leave white casts if it's done correctly. Like even when I was using Got To Be, a lot of people say Got To Be gets white, but if you apply it in a way that isn't meant to be applied, then it will go white. But yeah, just push the lace onto the spray. Just make sure it's on the lace and not actually on the hair. Then you want to like push the lace in with the teeth of your comb into the spray. Like it dries down and melts together. I did not apply the lace when the spray dries. You want to apply it when it's literally, as soon as you spray it, you want to let it settle. Don't let it dry, let it settle, and then apply your lace onto it so that it dries as the glue dries down. It dries down together. Okay, and then you want to like do this, and then you can see the lace that didn't catch onto that glue here, so you want to go back in and just spray right there. Or if you're not comfortable doing that and you know that, oh, like I am it's so easy for me to mess it up. Spray your tip of your comb and then literally just apply the spray with the comb. So like for example, I'll spray the tip, let it literally like drop onto it, and then I'll just put that onto the lace directly. That is more precise if you would like a hand. And then I take my blow dryer and then that's literally stuck down. Just gonna do this side as well, all the places that didn't catch it. And now I'm gonna take my Aphogee mousse to just lay the edges. And then I'm going to take my Keracare wax stick to just wax the front of the hairline before I hot comb. The slower you hot comb, the flatter it gets, but obviously try not to burn yourself. This is honestly the key to having a flat install. You just want to make sure you wax and hot comb your hair properly. See this part. If you want it to get super flat, then go in sections. I'm going to take my concealer down my part, but before I take my concealer, I'm going to take this brow gel, and it is the Ebony shade by Juvia's Place, to just clean up everywhere that is over bleached. I've never tried this brow gel on it, but hopefully it does the trick. Yeah, it looks like it is. Yeah, it's like they're really dark brow gel, so I'm gonna use that on the part, because I normally use a spray dye, but that spray dye is dark brown, but it actually looks brown, and I don't like that. So I'd rather use something that's closer to dark, because this hair, even though I haven't dyed it, it's really dark, and I love that. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I just take my comb and I just rub it in so that it's not like super harsh. And then I take my band. This is also by Asteria hair. I love this band so much. It's so smart. It's basically a Velcro band, so you don't have to tie it. It's just a Velcro. Guys, look at the hair. It just runs through. I am 5'9". This is 26 inches, I believe, or 28, and it goes all the way to my hips. Like, it's crazy long. And if I take it to the back, it goes all the way to my butt. And yeah, this is the length that I desire as a tall babe. 5'9". One thing Asteria hair don't play with is their measurements. Sometimes I even overgive, and I love that. So, and it has sunk into my skin. If I was to name my top 3 hairbenders, Asteria hair is always there. Like, always. They never fail me. The hair is just so good all the time. is just so beautiful. The luster is amazing. This is now you know why this was my birthday wig. I had other straight wigs, but this one I kept it special for my birthday, and I'm so happy I did because I loved it. The frontal, when I first got it, was thick. That's good, but if you don't like plucking, that's bad. But it just shows that you have a lot of hair on the frontal itself. It's a 13x4, but the pattern space is pretty decent. Yeah, so literally you have to pluck a lot in order to get like this type of result, but it will be worth it because the hair doesn't really shed or anything. The knots bleached very, very well. And bear in mind, guys, my birthday was a month ago, so this hair is a month old, and I think I've washed it once because I haven't worn it much. I've washed it once and it just looks amazing. The frontal is amazing. The hair is just great for me. If this was a 13x6, it would literally be the perfect wig ever. All the details on this wig is going to be in the description box down below. Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.